wig is from the Kinky beauty store on Amazon. It comes with an edge brush, an instruction card, a pair of eyelashes, and a hair clip. The hair is an Afro Kinky curly V-part wig, 200% density, 16 inches, and it's human hair. The hair type is 3C/4A. And the wig is currently a little matted, but I'm not really getting much shedding as I pluck through the curls, and the hair feels thick, natural, and full. It also has some brown streaks throughout the hair. I'm not sure of the exact hair color, but it's definitely lighter than 1B. And the wig doesn't smell bad. Kind of smells like hair store hair though. And this is what the part looks like. The top of it will need to be cut before installing. And on the inside of the wig and V part are 5 clips, 3 combs, and adjustable straps. So I'm going to wet the wig using this spray bottle, but you probably should wash it first. And the hair shed a bit while I was doing that. Then I used this Evolve brush to detangle the hair and help define the curls. Next, I sprayed this Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker on the hair to moisturize the curls. Lastly, I applied a lot of this wig and weave mousse to the hair. You can see how defined the curls look while the hair is wet and moisturized. And of course the hair looks a little longer because it's wet. When it's dry, it's going to scrunch up and shrink. And this is my first time doing a V-part wig, so I decided to have some leave out and simply braid my hair into 2 large loose braids and connect them. Before putting the wig on, I cut that string that was connecting the parts. Then I unclipped all the hair clips. And it was a little difficult putting the wig on at first because all of the clips and combs were snagging onto or grabbing my real hair. But I got it, and I just aligned and closed the hair clips close to my leave out and then secured the wig with the combs. Next, I took down my leave out and I split it into sections so I could start applying products to it. But first, I sprayed my hair with water. Then I used this Be in Control curl sculpting gel to help define my curls. You could also use Eco Styling gel. And I also went in with my detangling brush. And then applied this Style Factor Edge Booster to my hair to harden and elongate my curls and get them to stay looking defined. I then repeated those steps on my remaining leave out. Once I was finished defining my leave out, I used the edge booster and my edge brush to do my baby hairs. Lastly, I used my scarf to tie down my edges. So, this is the final look. I really love it. It looks natural, blends with my curls, and is pretty easy and quick to do. And since my natural hair is out, the part looks realistic. The hair is also very full and has body. I do wish the wig would have been closer to my hair color of 1B though. I mean, I guess I could dye it, but I'm not gonna do all that. And I got so many compliments on this hair. My family and friends really liked it and thought it was my real hair, so that's always a plus. And let me know what you guys thought of this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.